Oh my gosh, look at all this rain, guys. Do you think this is unbelievable? I agree. Hey guys, Gamer35 Does Vlogs is here, and we are in a big O thunderstorm here, and we're in the hot tub area, and see all that water? Like, it's been raining so hard for quite a while now, and yeah, just a few minutes ago. Unfortunately, I do not have footage for this, but, I saw a lightning strike. Oh my gosh. I was in the front yard watching it, and it just...
the time. It scares the life out of me.
Yeah, and, so, we were expecting some hail, but I'm glad we didn't get any hail. So that's pretty good, that we didn't get any hail. And, so let's head to the front yard. Okay, so we're at the front yard, and I just now got a severe thunderstorm warning. And, let's see what happens next. Oh my gosh, look at all this rain, guys. Do you think this is unbelievable? I agree. Like, look at all that out there. Like, oh my gosh. Like, we might be expecting some nickel-sized hail. I hope not, but, oh my gosh. Yeah, and when I hear thunder that's extremely loud, it just scares the absolute life out of me. And, so look at all this. It's flooded right here, and the rain's gotten so much worse. At the end of the day, it's like 8:20 p.m., and I am getting ready to go to bed. And I will go to bed only if the storm clears. But, yeah, I never expected rain this hard. All I expected was hail to come, but I don't think so, but I really hope not. Did I just see some hail right there? Oh, crap. There better not be hail. Oh, no. Okay, let's move to the hot tub. So, at the hot tub area yard, look at this. Do you agree this is terrible? And right now, this is an update. And, so, let's watch from my, room. Oh my gosh. I just saw lightning. Oh god. I gotta get inside. Oh crap. Gotta get inside right now. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's raining pretty hard at my window, and look at that. And at least no water's coming through the house. Yeah, that's a miracle. And, I think that's it for right now.